Hi guys, welcome to my TikTok account. Today TikTok sent for me one gift from Emarat Post. We will open what is this inside the half. Show you. Wow, is write my name and also is write gift from TikTok teams and also is write other details and our address. We will open what we have inside. Wow, this have also second pocket and that one is gold color. Wow, Samsung X Cover Pro. TikTok sent for me this Samsung mobile gift, and also you can earn this phones. Welcome to Rosebeam Mobile. First come first take. Inshallah, this phone I will give to you gift.